Continuing on, working on Sandy Ward's one-day cuckoo clock. I told you that the ratchet wheel's not working properly. Now this is from the time side, and you can see that this arm right here is bent up. Let me see if you can see it. It's bent up, and when it goes to ratchet, because that arm is bent up too much, it's hard to go underneath the wheel. So I'm going to bend it down and see if it works better. Now it's ratcheting. I need to bend it some more, but it is ratcheting better. See, now it's ratcheting smoothly. I don't know how he got bent up like that, but it's ratcheting smoothly. Now this is from the strike side. The arm is the same way. You got one arm, the click arm, that is bent up. However, the shaft is bent. I don't know if you could see it, but the shaft is bent also. There, you should be able to see it. And so I'm going to have to replace this strike side wheel, or try to bend that shaft. But I got the parts all apart. The chain, because the system was all messed up, I'm sure it's going to have several links in it that need to be closed. You can normally feel the chain in your hand when you have open links, and you could feel the open links in your hand. But I'm going to run this thing through my hand again and see if I can feel some open links. The only open links that I feel were at the very end, and there's several open links at the very end. I'm got my extra eyes on, and I'm looking to see if there's any open or bent links in the chain, because if the chain has got too many bent links in it, it's best to replace the chain with a newer chain. You can repair the links by closing them with a pair of pliers, but I sometimes find that if there's too many links that are bent, you might get lucky and get them repaired properly, but when you're working on a friend's clock, you don't want them calling you up all the time, say, hey, my clock quit working. And come to find out it's because there's a damaged link like this one right here. So if you're doing this for a living, you want to replace the chains and charge the customer for however much new chains cost. If you're doing this to repair your own clocks, you make that determination on whether you want to replace the chain or fix the chain. In this case, there's only one link that is damaged, and I think I could fix the chain by grabbing a hold of it with one pair of pliers and grabbing it, the other link, with the other pair of pliers, and lining them up, and then taking your pair of pliers, close link so it looks like the other links. And that looks pretty good to me. So anyway, I'm going to put the parts in the cleaning solution. This movement was not that dirty, but prior to putting it in a cleaning solution, you want to take your toothpick and go around all the holes to get all the old oil and gunk out of the holes. I just put fresh cleaning solution in my ultrasonic cleaner. I've said this time and time again, the ultrasonic cleaner is like a dishwasher. Prior to running your dishes in a dishwasher, you want to pre-wash your dishes. And so, the same way with the ultrasonic cleaner, you want to pre-wash the parts. That way your solution stays cleaner longer. So we'll come back after the parts are all cleaned up, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, please hit the subscribe and like. Leave any comments. Again, the more subscribers I have, the better I feel that I'm doing a good job. Please subscribe to my videos.